Sahih Al-Bukhari 3076, narrated Qais radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to me, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to me, do not you relieve me from Dhul Khalsa. Dhul Khalsa was a house where the tribe of Khasam used to stay, and it used to be called Ka'batullah Yamaniya. So I proceeded with 150 men from the tribe of Ahmas who were good cavalry. I informed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that I could not sit firm on horses, so he struck me on the chest with his hand, and I noticed his finger marks on my chest. He invoked, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make him firm and a guiding and rightly guided man. Jarir set out towards the place, dismantled and burnt it, and then sent the good news to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The messenger of Jarir said to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, O Allah's apostle, by him who has sent you with the truth, I did not come to you till the house had been turned black like a scabby camel covered with tar. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invokes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless the horses of the men of Ahmaz 5 times. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3077, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of the conquest of Makkah, there is no migration after the conquest, but jihad and good intentions. And when you are called for jihad, you should immediately respond to that call. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3078, 3079, narrated Abu Usman an-Nahdi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Mujashi bin Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu took his brother Mujalid bin Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam and said, this is Mujalid, and he will give a pledge of allegiance to you for migration. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there is no migration after the conquest of Makkah, but I will take his pledge of allegiance for Islam. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3080, narrated Atta radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I and Ubay bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha went to Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha while she was staying near Sabir, i.e. mountains. She said, there is no migration after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave his prophet victory over Makkah. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.